I'm one of those people that eats turkey pepper soup unapologetically. I'm not going to apologize about it. I prefer it to fish pepper soup. And if you're like me, this recipe is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make good quality turkey pepper soup. These are our ingredients. Of course, we're using fresh turkey, you guys. And then we're using some Scotch bonnet peppers. We're using scent leaf. This is optional. I realize that people don't like using it, but yeah, do you? We're using some onion. We're using uyayak. We're using some pepper soup spice. This is store-bought. I have a recipe on how to make this on my YouTube short, so please check that out. Also using some seasoning cube, and just as an addition, we are using yam. To start off, we are going to be blending our peppers. I like to blend my peppers in two different ways, which I'm going to show you guys. Just this is a preference thing, so you don't have to follow it. So I just put my pepper and my onion into my blender, and then I'm going to add lots of water to this and then blend. I am adding lots of water to this because it is pepper soup that we are making, not because my blender cannot handle it. Just so we are clear on that, I'm just going to blend this onto smooth or until I get like the consistency or the texture that I am looking for, and then I'm just going to set that aside. Now for the other part of the pepper thing I talked about, I like to use a food processor to just like chop or roughly chop peppers and onions, just because I like when I'm eating my pepper soup, I can see like little bits and pieces of pepper. This is a preference thing. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Now to start off cooking proper, this thing comes together really fast. So we're going to start by putting our turkey into the pot. I've cut this turkey into like little bite-sized pieces so that I'm not struggling with anything or any other person is struggling with it. Like, we don't do that here. And then I'm going to season that with some chicken seasoning and some salt. Then I'll go in with the blended pepper mix and then the uyayak. The reason I add the uyayak is that I've noticed that the store-bought pepper soup spice is not usually very like pungent, if that's the right word, and uyayak just helps me bring it back to life, if that makes sense. So once you're done cooking, you just have to remove the uyayak. While we're cooking that, we are just going to prepare our yam. You can use plantain for this or any other thing. You can also eat this with rice if you're one of those people. I'm not. Thank you and God bless. And also, while we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're coming across a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this twice every week, good quality content twice every week. If you love my content, if you love good quality recipe videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is free. You don't have to pay for anything, and remember to share and like. I'm also going to just cut this scent leaf and just set it aside. After about 10-15 minutes, this is what we look. Well, this is what everything looks like. Your turkey should be done at this point because turkey cooks really fast. This is when I'm now adding my pepper soup spice. The reason for that again is because I want that pepper soup flavor to really come alive, and I've noticed that when I add the pepper soup flavor first before like, or when I add it when I'm adding the meat, it just loses something. I don't know why. It just, especially when I'm using store-bought pepper soup spice, so I like to add it towards the end. And once you add your leaf, your pepper soup is done. You don't have to do anything, just turn off the heat and go, right? So I'm just going to cook the yam separately. The reason I'm cooking the yam separately, that I didn't cook it with the pepper soup, is just preference again, and also because the people I was going to eat this with, they did not like the ukodo thing, and that's really about it, you guys. Our pepper soup is ready. If you love this video, please click on the subscribe button, please click on the like button, click on the share button. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and also follow me for more recipes like this. We have to hit 100k this year, you guys. I don't care how we do it, we have to. Now I'm going to see you guys in my next video.